Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to collaborate on a CapCut project with friends so you can edit videos together in real time, share feedback instantly, and make teamwork genuinely fun and seamless. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up a shared workspace, invite your friends, and start co-editing all in just a few steps. Whether you're teaming up for a school project, a social media video, or working with colleagues on creative content, let's dive straight in. First things first, you will need to upgrade your CapCut account to access the collaborative features. CapCut Workspace is a dynamic cloud environment, but it's not available on the free basic plan. Upgrading unlocks spaces, which are digital rooms where your team can come together and edit one project at the same time, seeing changes live. Think of a space like a shared Google Drive folder, but designed specifically for video editing. Everyone can add files, make edits, and chat all in one place. Once you've upgraded, head over to your CapCut Workspace dashboard. There, you'll want to create a new space. This part is super intuitive. Just look for the Create New Space button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to set up your space. Give it a name that everyone recognizes, maybe the topic of your project or your team's name. Naming your space clearly helps everyone stay organized, especially if you end up working on several different projects. Next up is inviting your team members. You can do this in two ways. The first, and most straightforward, is by entering your friends' email addresses right on the invitation screen. CapCut will send them a personal invite to join the workspace. If you're not sure about their email, or you want to share the invite more broadly, there's another handy method. Just click the Invite button you'll find beside your profile logo. Copy the generated invite link and send that link to your colleagues through chat, email, or any messaging platform you all use. This is especially useful if you're working with a larger group or collaborating across different departments. Once your friends receive the invitation, they'll need to accept it and sign into CapCut. Don't worry if someone is new to CapCut. Accepting the invite is pretty painless. They'll be automatically guided through the steps to join the workspace. If you're working with folks who haven't used CapCut before, you can give them a heads up that this part isn't instant, but it rarely takes more than a minute or two. With everyone signed into the space, you're officially set up for collaborative editing. Now anyone in the space can upload media, videos, music, images, whatever you need, and start building your project together. You'll see updates in real time, like watching a Google Doc update as your teammates type. This allows you to bounce ideas back and forth, spot mistakes quickly, or try out different edits together without having to send files back and forth. It's like working side by side, even if you're miles apart geographically. And there you have it. By setting up a CapCut workspace, you'll be able to harness the full power of collaborative video editing, making group projects faster, smoother, and much more creative. Awesome. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there are other CapCut features you want to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy editing.